case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1947, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard the case of O'Brien Brothers v. Moran, which centered on the concept that if the cost of repairing a damaged vessel exceeds its value, the true loss should be considered its value at the time of the collision rather than the cost of repairs. The case originated when the United States Navy tug, Helen B. Moran, collided with the Dayton, a vessel owned by the libelant, while towing it from a slip between Piers 8 and 9. The collision caused the Dayton to sink, leading the libelant to file a lawsuit against the United States, claiming damages of $61,021.59. The commissioner initially awarded $48,817.27 in damages, but the United States appealed, arguing that the amount of damages had not been proven. The court eventually reversed the decree, asserting that the libelant had failed to prove the damages awarded. In reaching its decision, the court referred to the similar case of the Reno and established rules to determine the value of a damaged vessel and the damages recoverable. The court's final ruling reversed the commissioner's report and remanded the case for a calculation of damages based on the existing record and any additional evidence presented. The court also instructed that expert testimony should be evaluated based on expertise rather than party affiliation, and allowed for all previously awarded damage items except those attributed to the loss of the barge. Furthermore, the total damages were reduced by 80% in accordance with the consent decree.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.